girls! Today we are going to talk about the Samantha Brown lightweight luggage. And I'm so excited. I just got this new set of luggage. It has a roller carry-on and it's a little bit hard on the carpet. But you can see it even on carpet. It moves really smoothly. So when you're in the airport or on a street, you're going to have no trouble at all rolling your suitcase. In the back, she has what she calls a peace of mind pocket. And this is RFID protected, so nobody can steal your identity, but you can put your passport, you can put your credit card, your ID, a little cash in there, and it's all safe. So when you go through TSA, you just take it out and then put it right back in, and it's easy to find. Another thing that it has is a little pouch in the front where you can put your toiletries, and this little plastic pouch is included. And I'm going to show you what I fit in there because it looks small, and I thought, am I going to be able to put everything in there? But I have a mascara and a lip gloss. I have a lip serum, a shampoo, a conditioner. This is my facial wash, and I also have eye drops and a small toothpaste and an eye cream and a face cream. So all the toiletries that I would need are able to fit right inside this little pouch, and it does attach to the suitcase if you want to keep it in there, but I like to keep it in the outer pocket of the tote. And I'm going to show you how big the tote is. There's a little slit above the outer pocket, and you can put your cell phone in this pocket if you want to. And this is the zipper pull. As you can see, it's very sturdy. It has beautiful gold hardware. And this is large enough to put an outfit and a pair of pajamas in if you're just staying overnight. There's a zipper compartment here. And then on the other side, there's two smaller pockets. And it is so darling. It has this faux croco finish all over the handles. And then it also has, if you want it, a little shoulder strap so you can wear it crossbody. I'll zip it up. And then you have your hands free. So it's just a cute little tote. I really love it. And that's just the beginning. So I'm gonna put this little carrier strap down, or a handle. And this is the handle on the top, and there's also a side handle. So when you're lifting it up into the overhead compartment, it's really easy and it's really light. I weighed it. It's under 7 pounds. It's under 6.5 pounds. And when they said that on TV, I thought, really? But I put it on the bathroom scale and it really is light. So if you have issues with your back, if you have issues with, pulling heavy luggage along the sidewalk, you don't have to worry about it. It does have a little compartment on the top, and I put my glasses in there. And then it has another one that's a little more spacious. I put a book in here, so if I want to read something, there's plenty of room for that. You can put snacks in there. And I'm going to kind of do a little tour. These wheels are double wheels, and so it stays balanced and it doesn't tip over. And then there's a side pocket, again with that beautiful zipper pull, and I put an umbrella in here, so if you need that, it's handy. And you can also put a bathing suit, which is really nice if you have a wet bathing suit after a morning swim. You just put it in here because it's all plastic lined, and you can take it home without getting your clothes all wet and damp. And it's also expandable. There's so many features. So I'm going to show you. Suppose you went on a cold vacation and you didn't have enough warm clothes and you wanted to buy a hoodie or maybe a heavy knit sweater. You just expand your bag up and you've got room for more stuff when you come home. And it will still go through the TSA or the airline carry-on regulations, and you'll have no trouble taking it on the plane. Okay, so now let's open it up. The first thing you'll notice is it has shoe pockets, and they're not super big. I have a high heel here. I don't really wear flats. If you wear flats, you probably will have no trouble. But I wear about an 8.5, and my high heel didn't fit completely in, and neither did my tennis shoe. But they fit almost all the way in. And I did notice I brought a flip-flop, and that will fit just fine. So if you have flats or flip-flops or even smaller feet than mine, the shoe pocket will probably be fine. This is a mesh pocket. I like to put, I have a bottle of Tylenol, any prescription medications that you have or things that you want to know where they are. Put them in this little mesh pocket, and then you'll see them right away, and it'll just be reassuring. And we've got some luggage straps to keep everything in place. And you can see the little, I think they call them, I forget the name of them, but they're like travel bags to put packing cubes. You can put your things in these little packing cubes, and then it keeps them separated. And they're lined, and they have kind of a translucent plastic top. That's the small one, and there's a medium one. They come in a set, and they coordinate with your luggage colors. So I'll show you the medium one, and I thought, how much stuff can you really fit in these? Well, I was kind of surprised. So I filled up one of them, and I'm going to show you that in a minute, but first thing I'm going to show you the rest of the bag. So I showed you the two shoe pockets, the upper mesh pocket. There's another mesh pocket on one side of your bag, and then another one on the opposite side. And then you have your luggage straps that keep everything secure, and a nice bright colored lining. And again, you've got that faux croco trim on the outside that's so cute, and everything matches. So now I'm going to show you this packing cube just to prove that you really can put a lot in them. So for starters, I have, this is what I thought I could fit in, this top layer. There's a whole other layer underneath. But I put in a sweater dress, so this isn't just a light little slip dress, cocktail dress type thing. It's got some substance to it, and it keeps you warm. And then I have a full pair of pajamas, again, not just a little t-shirt or a boxer and tank, it's a full pair of PJs, and that fit. And I have 2 pairs of jeans, so not just lightweight shorts, obviously those would fit, but if you want some warm clothes, you can pack them in here and you'll have room to spare. And then I brought a blouse to go with the light jeans, and I brought a t-shirt to go with the dark jeans, and a belt, and then I had more room. So underneath, I had room for a scarf, and I'll show you what that goes with in a minute, and a bathing suit, 3 pairs of socks, and a dress. The dress goes with the scarf. So you can see I have a whole other outfit in here. And then I even had room for a little jewelry. I have some earrings and a ring. And I have a watch and a necklace. And everything fit. So I was pretty impressed. So that's the large packing cube. And then there's 2 more besides. The medium-sized one and the small one. And they all fit inside this beautiful little bag with rollers, with a handle, and a matching tote. And so that is my new Samantha Brown lightweight luggage, and it does have a 5-year warranty against manufacturer's defects. So you know it's sturdy, you know it's gonna last if they're standing behind it for 5 years. So that's it, girls. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have fun wherever you go on your vacation. Bye.